The Honeywell Barcadero Champagne Ceiling Fan is a 44-inch fan with integrated light. This contemporary ceiling fan is perfect for medium to large-sized rooms and features a modern champagne finish with LED lighting. The blades are reversible, providing two color options for this fan, including a white and a honey oak. The integrated light has a frosted white enclosure with twist lock technology, and the fan can be conveniently mounted with the included 4-inch long downrod or an angled mount. The motor is quiet with 3 speeds to choose from and reversible for both downdraft and updraft. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.